Hi, my name is Cliff. Welcome again. This is our second class in this course. We're going to talk about prototyping and do a few examples on prototyping. So, what are we going to learn in this class today? We're going to see an example of a mood board. How do we prototype an app idea, and then a short intro into design. So, for the outline, we're going to look at what is a mood board, what is prototyping, and how can we use it, and how do we design our mobile applications. So, what is prototyping? Below, you see an example of a design I made. So, this is how you would prototype a mobile application. And what is prototyping? It's an experimental process where design teams implement ideas into tangible forms from paper to digital. Teams building prototypes of varying degrees of fidelity to capture design concepts and tests on users. With prototypes, you can refine and validate your designs so your brand can release the right products. Why do we prototype? Let's say you're building a mobile application for a leader school. And this mobile application, you need to have a few things. You need to have a start menu, you need to have slides for introduction, you need to have an introduction inside the app. You can't just build the application because you need to prototype to view it on different screen sizes and also view it on different devices. So, in order for you to start building the application, you need to know what is prototyping. And before we prototype, we do use a mood board. So, what is a mood board? A mood board is a visual tool that communicates our concepts and visual ideas. It is well thought out and planned arrangement of images, materials, pieces of text, etc. This is intended to evoke or project a particular style or concept. So let's say you need a particular button that looks nice, and you want to use it. You pick that button, you put it in your mood board. And why do we use a mood board? To give us a process to build a clear design story that we want to use in the space. Using a mood board helps you to express the vision you have in mind for the project. Sometimes it's very complicated to express your visual ideas to others, and a mood board is very efficient and a visual communication tool. A mood board is also good in it's a good starting point to get things done. It will help you collate and focus your ideas and help you define the project. So here you can see an example of a mood board that I created. These are different applications. You can see most of them are education applications. Don't mind about the language. I can see one is written in Russian, but in case you know the language, feel free to translate. So, how do we design our mobile applications? In this course, we're going to use Figma to design our mobile applications using different softwares, and also we'll get to learn how do we create a particular size, how do we create a particular screen, and then we'll be able to move around things and design our application. And that was it. That was all about prototyping. Wonderful seeing you again in this class. See you in the next class. And goodbye.